Yeah, how's it going, YouTube? It's Mike once again. I just want to make a quick video on a simple wheel swap I did yesterday. I posted it on Facebook and Instagram, and boy, let me tell you, the attention this car got is unbelievable. A ton of people still liking it. Has over 350 likes on Instagram. It's incredible. Incredible. I'm so happy. I didn't think this thing was going to get this many likes or this much attention. But like I said, guys, it's only a wheel swap with some detail I did. Big deal. But it is nice. Alright, guys. This is it originally. The Pontiac GTO Judge 1970. Kroger exclusive, I believe. I got these from my buddy Chris. Thanks again, Chris. I really, really appreciate it. Now I'm going to show you the wheel swap, guys. Incredible. Yes, it looks great. I'm good with matching wheels up with certain cars. Not all the time, but this one, it is good. Check it out. Goodyear Real Riders. Some details. Look at that. Look at the lights. Look at that. Side markers. Real Riders. White rims. Look at that. It's all buttoned down. Very, very, very cool. Very happy about this. I had this set of wheels sitting around. I'm like, I've been wanting to put them on something for a while now. I'm like, well, what can I use them for, you know? And finally, this baby came along. Awesome. Awesome. Beautiful car, really is. I'm not too much of a Pontiac fan, but come on, you're talking about the Pontiac Judge here. You know, very, very nice. And I thank you all for the support and everything you guys have given me just for this simple wheel swap in detail. Incredible. I got tons of offers for this thing. The minute I put on Instagram, just a few minutes later, I was getting offers. Would you trade? Do you want this much? Right now, guys, I don't think I'm selling it. I mean, this is not to sound corny or nothing or weird, but it's an epic moment. I mean, yeah, anybody can do this. Anybody can swap wheels, you know. But how often do I just do a wheel swap? Not very often. I do mostly pretty much customs, you know. Paint job, new wheels, stuff like that, you know. This one's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And it does roll, you know. I wish I could show you, but the camera's facing frontwards. Hold on a minute. But it does, where is it? It does roll, see? I don't want to push too hard and chip the paint, bang it into something, but it does roll. It's very nice, guys. But anyways, this is supposed to be a quick video. I got to get going. I got to go visit some family members in New Hampshire. So I will talk to you guys later. Let me know what you guys think if you haven't seen this already. Thanks again for watching, guys. Take care, and as always, God bless. More videos to come. Please subscribe if you haven't. All right? Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.